Dive into the mesmerizing world of the moray eel. In this captivating exploration, we unearth the mysteries of these elusive creatures that weave through the depths of the ocean. Discover their unique features, behaviors, and surprising personalities that challenge everything you know about sea life. From their vibrant colors to their fascinating habitats, we'll take you on a virtual journey to witness the strangeness and beauty of these extraordinary deep-sea dwellers. Get ready for mind-blowing facts and stunning underwater visuals that bring the enigmatic moray eel to life. Don't forget to share, and subscribe for more ocean wonders. We'll explore the strange and unusual characteristics of these elusive creatures that call the reef their home. With their mesmerizing colors and unique hunting techniques, moray eels are more than just cryptic sea serpents. Join us on this underwater adventure as we unveil amazing facts, myths, and their crucial role in the aquatic ecosystem. Perfect for ocean lovers and curious minds. Don't forget to share, and subscribe for more deep-sea discoveries.